I'm going to spend the next few minutes sharing with you Kohler's journey into this subject matter of a connected space and smart home. Indeed, I think we just learned that we're living in a very new era, part of the connectivity and information revolution. We are all learning, what is possible, what is valuable, and what is meaningful. So it seems kind of appropriate to start, with the question, smart connectivity changes your lives? Kohler is leading the market in developing smart connected product in the kitchen and bathroom space, and all the user connectivities that interact with. While we don't really have all the answers, we are learning by doing, and we're very committed in this future. We see the role of connected products, the very, very important part of the connected city, as it's connected to the buildings, which eventually is part of the whole ecosystem of the kind of sustainable, livable kind of cities of the future. Connected products allow us to, manage our resources more efficiently, to maintain and to learn from it. And so, with all challenges of urbanization and popular density and stress resources, we believe that they play a very, very important role, in that part of the future cities that we want to live in. We really believe that smart connected products are more than just that. Smart products that leads into smart bathrooms, we believe, are the future, and it's going to be more delightful to the consumers. Whether it's your incredibly powerful smartphone that's kind of quietly broadcasting your presence in the background, broadcasting your presence, and all that. Your environment really knows you, before you go in there, and anticipate you, and based on the preferences that you choose, right, that you want to share. And these preferences allow smart products to customize and become very, very personal, and sort of kind of adapt to your needs. The more we actually study into this into product experiences, we realize that the ambience, which is the surrounding that you're in, actually matters a lot too. I'm not trying to kind of test your eyesight. This is obviously a kind of unreadable eye chart. But my point here really is that it's the research that we look into is beyond just product. It really is about the quality of that experience throughout the bathroom, from the day to night. That's really, really important. It's about how you feel. It's not just what you do. And this insights really inform us to, that we have to go kind of look beyond product and, create amazing experiences, because that's what the consumer really wants. We have to create experiences that are seamless, right? That don't really need constant interaction. Experiences that kind of immerse you and stimulate, all your senses, and really take you on transformative kind of journeys throughout the bathroom. So we internally, we're looking to kind of break our kind of barriers, to look beyond just products and categories, and trying to think differently, and so that we can design bathroom experiences and not just products. So I want to kind of just share with you a few kind of, just simple kind of animation. Hospitality really is about theater. We are imagining and creating and experimenting with different journeys. And these journeys encompass, all our five senses. The steps between the zones, the places of kind of deep experience move our mind and body, to optimum states that benefit most. And the preferences and the habits, start to intermingle with each other, so that, we set up preemptive kind of scenarios that anticipate your needs, and so, it can guide you through the journey. And each product experience is enhanced by, kind of ambience, the surrounding, around it and around you. As we kind of dive in more into, this whole area, we see the bathroom experience is more important. Is more important than just the product itself. And as we study these journeys, we also find out that the role of light is really, really central to the bathroom, and it kind of becomes a integral part of our, kind of study into, creating more meaningful experiences. We kind of see it as a kind of personal and private hub. I'm going to play you a little bit kind of a video. It kind of helps you control and interact, to manage your kind of a beauty and grooming routines. That's, potentially can become a healthcare portal where, you can sort of interact with your preferred healthcare providers, may I say. So I'm just going to let it run a little bit. It's a very kind of little glimpse of, what we're looking into, So in short, we see the transforming power of bathroom in kind of two key ways. One really is, they're kind of the yin and yang, right? One is energizing, invigorating, and emboldening. And the other one is the opposite, is relaxing, rejuvenating, and healing. And we kind of believe that smart bathrooms are the future, really. And there are four kind of leading drivers behind it. Autonomy, connected experience, well-being, and services. And each one of these elements are equally as critical to create this future experience. In summary, we, Kohler, we're on a journey, a smart connected journey that creates better, more delightful bathroom experience. From functional products to meaningful product experience, to immersive experience and the experiential journey. We kind of reframe the questions, really, kind of like from what do I want to do to how do I want to feel. So thank you very much for attending today. I hope that you find the discussion and the presentation inspirational, and thank you.